Okay, so let's say you've put the tile up and it's time to clean off the extra mortar. It's dried out and it's tough to see the white mortar on the white tile. What do? And this is the solution. So I've already gone through because my microphone wasn't working and I've done some marking. But what I discovered was I was going to circle the areas that needed to be worked on with chalk to identify it. But by running it over the tile, I discovered that in clear areas where it's clean white tile, it doesn't pick up chalk over here, but over here where there's mortar, it picks it up automatically. It makes it super easy to identify areas where we need to come back with a plastic chisel um, or a scrubbing pad if it's not too bad. Some of these smaller ones, you can barely see them. It's a little bit more than a haze, but I can definitely get my fingernail to clear them out. So just a scouring pad or whatever the tile experts recommend. But as far as, where do you need to clean up mortar? It just leaves you these pink spots. And so it makes it super easy to go around and identify problem areas. There's a bunch and there's a lot more. So anyways, I hope this helps. And thank you, Crayola, I guess. This is actually pretty helpful if you have people that really don't know a lot about tile, but you want to give them some busy work, or you've got kids that can kind of work on this stuff down low, whether they're willing to volunteer or you can bribe them with a root beer float or some ice cream. So they can just come by and kind of knock off some of these mortar boogers. You can see. So yeah, I'm feeling that. I'm kind of surprised to see that it's that much, but I can feel it with my fingers. And as you can see, like right here, it just zero chalk pickup and immediately picks up there. So, all right. Okay, so I had to do this. I went through and I just marked the whole, I just wiped the chalk on the entire wall. And you can see just how much mortar there is all over the place. Every pink spot is mortar that needs to be removed. I didn't think it was that bad, but one recommendation is if I ever do a tile job like this again, I'm going to take a sponge. As soon as this tile is set, I'm just going to take a scrub sponge and wipe it back and try and reduce some of this, because every bit of it it's basically like soft cement. And so this is going to be a bunch, and you can see just how much there is. We're going to have to scrub the entire wall. But at least once it's done, probably never have to do it again.